I am a Japanese 45-year-old woman. I wanted to contribute to the planet after a 25-year career as a nurse and dancer, so I started my own business in prevention. Science has proven that emotions repair genes. A Japan art party will be held in Fukuoka City to inspire many people. I believe that the soul and spirit of Japan can bring peace to the world. I believe that the value of the invisible traditional Japanese arts lies in the pride of having beauty and dignity. I believe that what is truly valuable is invisible to the eye. It needs to be felt. We need to develop the sensitivity to feel. Traditional Japanese performing arts allow us to master the spirit. It is an opportunity to experience the spirituality of Japan. I would like people from all over the world who love Japan to come to the Japan art and party that I plan, organize and execute. The party will be held at the Ritz Carlton Hotel Fukuoka in November 2025. If you are interested, please message me. Come and see first-class show dancing, dance with my heart and soul. I look forward to meeting you.